How to find downloaded media files on Telegram app. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find downloaded media files on your Telegram app. So now, let's just get started. First, open up your Telegram. After you do so, go to the settings that's on the bottom right. So after you are on your settings, you'll need to scroll down till you find data and storage. Open it up. And after you've opened it up, you will see storage uses. Tap on storage uses, and after you do so, all you need to do is scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you'll get two options. One is chats, other is media. Go to the media side, and on the media you will notice that those are your downloaded files. All of your photos and videos that you have downloaded on Telegram will get displayed right here. So yeah, now you can just download or delete your media files on Telegram. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you find downloaded media files on Telegram. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment down below. And also, don't forget to